Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 1st, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all because it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. I will do 4 of them, yes, half of them. The 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. And the first puzzle is a 3 stars Sudoku number 6847. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. It's not a 3 stars because this puzzle has 31 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25, well, 6 digits more. So I don't think it's 3 stars, but a 0 stars. Yeah, 0 stars. And for 0 stars puzzle, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. And if it's a 3 stars puzzle, then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in the middle row, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so this can be 5 and more. This box should be a 3 then, and that box should be a 5 then. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Right. And now, how about, let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this second column, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and then 9 goes there. Alright. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Alright, and now. We have a pair, the 4 and the 3 in the first column, the 4 and the 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 1. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 in these two boxes. Here's 6 in the second row, so no 6 in that box. So one box left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about one box left in, one box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 9. Yes, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 5, okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in that box. So one box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9, okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and the 3. We have a 4 now in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then the 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Okay. Then how about the 2 in this column? The 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Can I count? And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 2. Okay. Then. How about the 5? Okay, 1, 5, and then 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 159, 159, 159, 159, 159, 159, and look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this column. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. So 1 digit left should be the 1. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, no need to place level 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next down. Any place left for the 7 should be there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there, finishing in like 10 minutes. Wow, surprise, surprise. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Told you it should be a 0 stars puzzle. Wrong indication, but we solve it again, I like this one, yeah, so you do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.